All right, so update on JASMY on the 6 hour chart. Let's see where we're at. It looks like we're trying to get above this 236 fib. For some reason, we're having a lot of trouble getting above 18 cents, especially 18.2. So 18.2 is really the target you want to beat. There's no fib there, but that's the target you've been rejected at least 3 or 4 times now. So that's really the target you want to beat on JASMY. You do have a fib down here at 17. Uh, I'm sorry. Actually, you do have a fib at 17.4. And you're below that right now at 16.9. So if you get above the 17.4, your next target's 18.2 to the upside. You have the 382 at 19.4. And then I think when I did the fibs a different area, you also have the 618 right where the 382 is on a smaller time frame. So I also think 19.4, 19.5 is going to be some major resistance. Then the next one I would say would be 22.7 to the upside. That's where the 618 is on the daily time on the 6 hour chart. I believe. If I go to the daily chart, yeah, so this 618 is at 22.6 cents on the daily chart, and it's pretty much in the same place on the 6 hour chart. So I would definitely say that would be the next target. Would be 23 cents on the macro time frames. And the target you don't want to go below right now, I would say, would be this local low at 14 cents. Because if you don't hold that, it looks like the next place would be just under 11 cents. Though I don't think you fall below 11 cents. Um, so that's about it. I think the local bottom is actually 16 cents, if not 16.5. Because here's what's at play. We are making higher lows, which is bullish. And sorry about that. We are making higher lows, which is really bullish. You guys can see the slow uptrend like that. And we're also coming down slowly like that. So at some point we're going to break out. Now those lines are pretty inaccurate, but you can kind of see the direction that we're going. So we're making higher lows and lower highs, which means at some point you either have to break up and go parabolic and probably go at least to the 618 up here at 23 cents, or you're going to come crashing down to 10.6 to 11 cents. I don't think you fall really below 11 cents though. Although there's a local fib down there at 10.6, so who knows? But I would say most likely, if you fall below 11 cents, it's probably game over for JASMY, and it could go back down to where it started on Coinbase back here at 4 something. Which I really, that's why I don't think you break 11 cents. I just don't see that happening. Because you have a lot of support right there at you have a lot of support right here at 11 cents, between 11 and 12 cents. So I don't think you go down to 10.6. But that's just what I think. Not financial advice. But I do think there's a major breakout coming sometime this week, probably sooner rather than later, because, like I said, you're making lower highs and higher lows, which means at some point it's going to break out like crazy to the upside or downside. And my inclination is you break out to the upside. December is going to be really bullish, in my opinion. And this coin was at 34 cents. Now you're at 17 cents. It's already fallen 50%. And from the all-time low, or at least the last really local low, was just below 13 cents. So I think at some point, I mean, that's like a 60, 70% correction in a bull market. I think it's time for it to start going up again. So my prediction is by the end of this week, JASMY hits 22.5 to 23 cents by Saturday night, and I guess I'll see if I'm right, but that's my prediction. So I actually am currently in a trade from about 16.7, 16.8. I don't know my exact entry because I DCA'd in a few times, but yeah, I'm basically at break even right now. So I'm enjoying this trade, and I would say the low is probably in at 16.5 though. So bullish on JASMY for this week. We'll see where it goes, but I think that we're about to go up on JASMY.